Hi, my name's Sabrina and this is my slide design project. For my project I chose the brand of Coca-Cola and I used this ad from the ad campaign titled Taste the Feeling. This ad is all about promoting the concept that when you drink Coca-Cola, you taste the feeling of life, love, and adventure. The targeted audience includes young adults to adults, male and female, really anyone who could say they embrace life, love, and adventure, and that should pertain to pretty much any audience. Now we're going to take a closer look at a few of the design elements in the original ad that makes this ad look great. The first element is design. As you can see in this ad, there are a couple of design elements included. First, let's take a look at the specific Coca-Cola logo used in the ad. Notice that the bottles appear to figuratively represent his and her Coke bottles. These bottles suggest a correlation with the couple theme in the image. Also notice the blurred background in the image. This keeps the focus on the couple and the logo's implied message. The next element we can look at is typography used in the design. The main typography is here in the image, Taste the Feeling. The text is written in sans serif, a simple and clean style font which really adds a casual and embraceable feel of the entire ad. Additionally, a sans serif font presents the best on the screen. This simplicity fits in great with the other design elements I pointed out in the previous slide. Next, we'll take a look at how the color is used in the ad. The main colors used in the ad are red, black, and white. So here we see the white used in the text, Taste the Feeling. The white text keeps the design simple and message focused, as the viewer is quickly directed to the simple and to-the-point slogan, Taste the Feeling. White is a positive color, and it denotes purity, light, goodness, and possibility, and sincerity. We also see the red and black Coke bottles in the logo, providing a strong contrast against the white Coca-Cola insignia. Because of the strong contrast in the logo, it is really the first thing you notice when you look at the ad. Black is a color denoting power, elegance, strength, and authority, and red is the color of fire and blood, denoting energy, strength, power, passion, and love. This is the new ad I created for the campaign. There are a few design elements in this new ad I created that are consistent with those in the original ad. First, we have the same his and her Coke bottle logo as the main focus on the image. It has the same strong contrast I mentioned before, which subtly pops within the image. We also have the red and black and white color scheme consistent with the original ad, the black and red Coke bottles, the white logo, and the slogan text. Additional consistencies with the original ad include keeping the font style simple and clean in the slogan. And the photo I chose for the new ad, again, has a consistent couple theme from the original ad with the blurred background, with a similar close-up photo style. I believe that my new and unique ad stayed true to the original due to the design elements I applied: simplicity, message, visual hierarchy, typography, colors, and visuals. I hope you enjoyed my slide presentation. Thank you.